Hi everyone, this is Shilpa Agarwal and here we are acknowledging the Earth Day 2020. So I'm going to share a few elements of my life that helps me live a sustainable living, which I have been trying to do lately. So number one would be about kitchen gardening. I've been trying to grow a few herbs here at my place like mint, coriander, tulsi जो सबके घरों में होती है, lemongrass, अजवाइन, curry leaves. These are all the herbs औषधि आयुर्वेदा में कहते हैं जो इंडियन हाउसेस में काफी ज्यादा यूज होती हैं. They are a very essential part of Indian cuisine. So when given the lockdown, how do we take care of them? How do we keep them nourished? There are very easy ways with things that are easily available at your house. Number one would be onion peels. So onion peels is a kitchen waste. So what I do is I take a jar, I put the onion peels, maybe 2-3 onions which are chopped in a day. I leave it for 24 hours, soak them in water, and then I use this water to fertilize. It's a liquid fertilizer for my mint, for my lemongrass, because this has iron, this has calcium. So it's a very good usage of your kitchen waste. Number two is my banana peels. So these all are kitchen waste. They smell a little bit. These are my banana peel, which similarly I soak them in water. But this I soak them for at least 3 days. So the water has a lot of potassium after 3 days, and then I use this as a liquid fertilizer for my plants which has flowers. Like I have British rose, or if I have mogra, or if I have jasmine, it's very good for those plants. So I don't have to buy chemical fertilizers. This is how I naturally take care of my plants, and with the kitchen waste, so I don't create a lot of waste. So it is reusing, reduction of my waste. Now the second thing that is the most interesting thing that I have been experimenting about sustainability lately is handmade paper. So I'm so proud of these papers that I made. Look at them, they're quite beautiful, aesthetically very authentic. They look beautiful. Now the best part is that these have been made out of waste leaves and banana peels. Actually, this has been made by these waste, kitchen waste and garden waste. This is a part of upcycling, and I'm going to use these papers for special letters, birthday wishes, and I'm very happy that I'm contributing to sustainability by this way. So, given the scenario of coronavirus, the COVID-19, we all realize that how far we have come from nature, and it's time that we go more sustainable, eco-friendly, and let's do our bit. Have a happy Earth Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Akash and I'm the founder of Brushers.in, where we make biodegradable handle bamboo toothbrushes. So as we all know, this year's theme for Earth Day is climate action. And we all are hearing about the terms climate change, global warming from past many years. Like I remember when I was in class 8th or class 9th, 10-12 years back, we had a separate topic of global warming, and our teacher used to ask everybody to plant a tree as a homework. I mean, he used to ask when you guys have a birthday, you guys should gift a sapling as a return gift to all your friends, which would inspire everybody to grow more and more trees. But that time I was really small. At least my brain could not think how big this problem actually is. But 2 years back, when I was working with an edtech firm, my job required me to meet more and more school kids. So I was conducting an interview for a school kid to know what he wanted to do with his own life. And I was really surprised to see his passion about like he wanted to do something about the environment, to bring a positive change in the environment, specifically about plastic pollution. So from that day, that discussion sparkled something inside me, that if a small kid could actually think of this problem, why can't I do something for it? So that day I called my friend Darsh Dalal, and we started researching more and more about plastic pollution. And we got to we read a lot, many articles. We talked to many people from different states, different countries. Then we got to know that the plastic pollution caused by plastic toothbrushes. So we all know that plastic bags are the largest source of plastic pollution. But the second largest source of plastic pollution is plastic toothbrush. And we all are very aware about plastic bags. Like many of us have stopped using plastic bags. But we don't do anything about plastic toothbrushes because there is very less awareness about it. So before creating an awareness, first we should have a solution, an alternative solution. So we started looking for different options. So we came across this bamboo toothbrush, which could actually solve this problem. So from that day, that was September 2018, our journey of brushers has started, and we could actually create a shift in many thousands of people's lifestyle from that day. That's it. And today in this time of lockdown, I've also made a small change in my lifestyle. So I remember one of my friend, she told me that she has stopped using shower while bathing. So from last 3 to 4 weeks, I have started using a bucket of water. I have stopped using shower. I use a bucket of water. Now today morning only, before creating this video, I was actually thinking, am I actually saving the water or am I actually consuming more water? So I did a small math and I was surprised to see the results. When I was using my shower, I used to use the shower for like 12 to 15 minutes. And that 12 to 15 minutes was like I was consuming around 50 to 60 liters of water through a shower. Now, the bucket that I use every day from last few weeks, I use like 20-25 liters. That's it. So from 50 to 60 liters, I have reduced my water consumption to 20-25 liters. I was so happy. Just a small change could actually reduce my water consumption to a drastic, like 50% reduction in my water consumption. So I would request everybody who is watching this, so just look at your own lifestyle and ask yourself what all small changes can you actually bring. I believe that when such small steps, such small changes are being done by many people over a long period of time, could actually bring a huge positive impact to the environment. And I'm very sure one day we will make this environment, this planet, a better place to live. So happy Earth Day, everybody. That's it from my side. All the best.
Hi, I'm Nandini, the founder of Kamakhya organization. Kamakhya is an organization which is aiming to make periods more sustainable. It is very normal how females are always so aware about what everyone else is doing. But when it comes to their personal hygiene, we usually tend to overlook. It is very normal that we're talking about the climate crisis in the recent time. We've been talking about how we should reduce plastic, how we should reduce pollution, and especially while this lockdown, talking about how everything is regimenting. But the main concern is that we, as females, don't realize how much plastic are we giving out in the environment. We as females menstruate every month. We in a month generally have 12 average pads which we use in a month. Imagine a woman in one household if it uses 12 average pads per month, and if you start multiplying, then you have crores and tons of plastic disposable pad garbage collected. We also tend to dispose them into a plastic bag, which indirectly goes in the garbage, then it goes to the landfill, and it is completely open waste, which is more contaminated and non-recyclable. So as females, we don't even realize how much plastic with the chemicals are we releasing. So Kamakhya here is trying to make a small initiative how we can convince people to not use these plastic disposable bags and switch to sustainable menstrual products. As females, it is very important for us to understand how harmful it is for ourselves, our self-menstrual hygiene, and for the environment. Kamakhya is trying to take a lot of sessions across the city and is aiming to spread pan-India. So here Kamakhya is trying to promote 3 kinds of sustainable products which can help our environment. From at least our side, we females can at least do our bit. The first very good is the menstrual cups. Menstrual cup is a menstrual product which can be bought once and can be used for 4 to 5 years. You need to understand how to use and store it. The second is our biodegradable sanitary napkins. What these do is that these biodegradable sanitary napkins come with a biodegradable compostable packets which are used for disposable, and they're completely made of bamboo fiber. They do not contain the gel which clogs all the gutters, and also they do not contain the chemicals and also the plastic. Now the third we strongly recommend are the cloth pads. Now cloth pads is one of the easiest menstrual sustainable products which do not have to be bought, and also the best thing is they also have snap buttons, so which helps not to move. Now for all these products you need to know how to store, how to dispose it into the environment, and also how to use it. Also here Kamakhya is also trying to teach people how to make this DIY cloth pads which can help you in your daily life. So that is what Kamakhya is trying to do, and we really urge that we can become a contributor to this earth and try to make people switch to more sustainable habits and products which can indirectly help all of us survive on this earth longer and make our environment more beautiful.
Hi, I am Darsh Dalal, media strategist at Brushers.in. In this unprecedented time of the coronavirus where we are forced to stay indoors, it has given me a lot of time to sit and think about my choices that support sustainability. And one of the things that I have started doing religiously basically, and I'm sure everybody else has also started doing the same thing, is to group things to do. So basically, if I need milk today, then I don't go out to buy milk today. I wait for one particular day in the week where I would go out to buy all the other things I need. So this way, I'm not only saving a lot of time because I'm not making grocery runs every day. I'm also saving a lot of fuel, and that ultimately helps reduce the pollution. And such way of thinking is what motivated us to start working on brushes, because plastic toothbrushes are one of the biggest nuisances on this planet. When you were a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old, the first toothbrush that you used in your life, it is still roaming around somewhere on this planet. And if you think about it, that creates a lot of land pollution, an unimaginable amount of land pollution. And so pertaining to such things, bamboo toothbrush was a great way to start working on reducing the plastic pollution that we as humans do. And that's something that I encourage you all today to start thinking about. You have the time and no other commitments to work on, so there's no excuse now. We can use this time to rethink our choices and make positive changes in our lives. And I encourage you all to get to it right away. So I wish you all a very happy Earth Day, and I am pretty sure that with joint efforts, we as a human species would be able to bring about a great positive change in the following months.